You're watching Those Hotel People, and Salou in the Costa dorada of Spain is one of our favourite places to visit, and that is why it's extremely important to choose the correct hotel. So today, we're going to give you a quick review on the hotel. Before we get started, guys, if you haven't been to Salou yet and you're thinking about going out there, definitely make sure you do, because it's absolutely brilliant. Our main reason for going here is because of the theme park. We absolutely love it, but there is so much to do, and it is our favourite place to visit in Spain.
It's bigger than you, Josh.
Guys, we are on Salou Beach next to Portaventura theme park to try parasailing for the first time. Wish us luck.
Ready, Smosh? Oh God, that's going to be us in 10 minutes.
So it's located opposite the McDonald's along the Salou promenade, and it's £50 per person. That was awesome, guys. Highly recommended. £50 each, parasailing Salou Beach. Gotta do it. See you next time.